Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to be loading the kiln today. We also got the previous kiln load unloaded. Have some footage of that for you, but I'll show you what we're doing. So we have a lot of charcuterie stock for a client that is going to get loaded. And then we have some large mantle pieces that we'll have to cut down to fit in there because we are going to be drying a load of firewood as well. So we have an empty one here just as a placeholder. The full basket is actually buried with some of this charcuterie stock that has to go in. So as we load that and dig that out, then we can get that in place with the tractor. But until then, we're going to just use this placeholder, and I'll show you how we go about loading and stickering.
You want to get the
Not all the way up, not all the way up touching it. Because I just want to make sure we have
about
enough.
½ inch from it.
Yeah. So we'll have plenty of room. We'll get this whole layer together, and then I'll just zip across it.
All right.
And then it's all in place.
Follow this old river down to where the poppies grow, and drink that cool water till I get my fill.
The stickers we're using are made of oak and are 1 inch wide and 3/4 inch thick. They're called bow tie stickers and they're fluted on each side. We try to space them about every 18 inches as we found this works best for us to help prevent warping and twisting. The goal is to keep the stickers aligned up the stack for each layer. This is very important in green and thinner stock to maintain uniform weight distribution.
Woman, and she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home. Work hard all day, stone by stone, for the night to come. There's no sleep like that of tired bones. And rub my hands and whisper to me about tomorrow, about the kids and the house, and how we don't have much, but it's enough. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home. I'm in love with a woman, she makes me want to sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me want to build a home.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. We got the kiln unloaded, reloaded, firewood basket loaded at the end, and everything's turned on and it's humming along really well behind me. So hopefully you learned a little bit about the process that we go through with stickering and why it's important to keep the stickers in line all the way up the stack the best that you can. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy to answer anything that I can or anything I didn't cover in the video. So stay tuned for the next video. Coming up with the game plan of what I'm hoping to show you guys, and we'll take it from there. So hit the like button, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and we will see you on the next one.